Hi students, today we will see seventh topic from your book, that is variation. Now look, what is meant by variation? If one quantity increases, another related quantity also increases, or one quantity decreases, another related quantity also decreases. Like this way examples will be there. Then they are coming under the point variation. Okay, suppose the cost of one pen is 5 rupees. Then what is the cost of 3 pens? What will you do here? Here you will multiply 3 and 5. Yes, one pen's cost rupees 5. So cost of 3 pence, it will be 3 5s are 15. Cost of 10 pence, 10 5s are 50. So look here, one quantity increases, another related quantity also increases. Suppose that quantity decreases, related quantity also decreases. What is the cost of 2 pence? 2 5s are 10. Okay, so one quantity increases, another related quantity increases, one quantity decreases, another related quantity decreases. This is known as the variation. Now we will see the points given in your book. Let us recall, if the rate of the notebook is rupees 240 per dozen, means one dozen is equal to 12 things or 12 items. Okay, so here if the rate of the notebook is rupees 240 per dozen, what is the cost of 3 notebooks? Now look here, what you have to do here. Per dozen means 12 notebooks price is 240. So here already they given 240 divided by 12 means one notebook price, it will come 20. So what is the cost of 3 notebooks? 20 multiplied by 3, you will get 60. Correct? Now 9 notebooks price, 29s are. So it will be 180. 24 notebooks price 480, and 50 such notebooks price is equal to 1000. Okay, if you will see the ratio of all these numbers, it is equal to 1 upon 20. Look, 12 ones are 12 twos are 24 and 0. 3 ones are and 3 20s are 60. 23s are correct. 9 ones are here, 9 twos are and 0. 24 twos are and this 0. 50 twos are 100 and this 0. So this ratio is equal to 1 upon 20. You can see everywhere the ratio of the number of notebooks and cost of notebooks is equal. Okay, from the above table we see that the ratio of the number of notebooks x and their cost y in each pair is 1 upon 20. It is constant, means everywhere it is same. Constant means it is same everywhere. The number of notebooks and their cost are in the same proportion. In such a case, if one number increases, then the other number increases in the same proportion. Now, I said to you, this is known as variation. Now look, there are two types of variation: direct variation and inverse variation. Keep in mind, if the ratio is constant, then that variation is known as direct variation, and if the product is constant, then that variation is known as inverse variation. So first of all, we will see the direct variation. The statement x and y are in the same proportion can be written as x and y are in direct variation, or there is a direct variation between x and y. Okay, using mathematical symbol, it can be written as x is proportional to y. This sign indicates the proportionality between these x and y. Okay, this sign alpha. Alpha is a Greek letter used to denote the variation, like this way. Okay, now here you can say x is directly proportional to y, or x varies with y. Okay, now look, x directly proportional to y is written in the form of equation as x is equal to ky. So we'll write x is equal to ky, where k is a constant, or x is equal to ky, or x upon y is equal to k. Here x upon y is equal to k is known as the equation of direct variation, and k is the constant. Okay, now look, observe how the following statements are written using the symbol of variation. Here they given the first statement, that is area of a circle is directly proportional to the square of its radius. If the area of a circle is a and its radius is equal to r, the above statement is written as a is in direct variation with r square, means a variation sign r square. Then second example they given, pressure of a liquid means P varies directly as the depth D of the liquid. This statement is written as P is directly proportional to D. Okay, means here also they use the proportionality sign. To understand the method of symbolic representation of direct variation, study the following examples. We will see the examples. So here see the example, x varies directly as y. You can write this as x is directly proportional to y. Look, they had written here. Now they given the values of x is equal to 5, y is equal to 30. Then they said find the constant of variation and equation of variation. Now you know that k is known as the constant of variation, and equation of variation is x upon y is equal to k. So first of all, look, x is directly proportional to y. So x is equal to ky. So what is the value of x here? They given the value of x as 5. Then they said k we have to write as it is. Multiplied by y's value is 30. Now look, here we want to find the value of k. So this 30 will shift this side, means it will become 5 upon 30. Therefore, k is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. This is the constant of variation. Now they said to write equation of variation. What is the equation of variation? X upon y is equal to k. So don't put the values of x and y, just write x upon y is equal to, now what is the value of k? Is equal to 1 upon 6. Like this way you have to keep, otherwise y shift this side, then it will come x is equal to y upon 6. Okay, now we'll see how they given, or look, y is equal to 6x. Like this also you can write the value. Okay, do you understand how to solve the examples? X is equal to ky, x is equal to y upon 6. 6 we shifted this side, then y is equal to 6x, or you will write as it is, though it's okay. Now they given one more example. Cost of groundnuts is directly proportional to its weight. If cost of 5 kilogram groundnuts is rupees 450, then find the cost of 1 quintal groundnuts. You should know that 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. Now look, directly proportional values, x value they given as x varies directly as y. So x is equal to ky, x is equal to 450 and y 5. Then the value of k is 90. So what is the value of 100 kg? It is equal to 100 multiplied by 90, means rupees 9,000. Okay, now using this information you have to solve practice set 7.1. From that, keep in mind, first just you have to write. Okay, I will tell you how to write this. First, the given circumference C of a circle is directly proportional to, so C, this sign and R. Okay. Second, consumption of petrol L in a car and distance traveled by the car D are indirect, so L directly proportional D. Huh? Then you have to complete the table. Look, here the ratio is same everywhere, that is 1 upon 8. So 4, here 8 fours are 32. Then 56 you have to write the proper numbers in the empty places. Okay. Now next is third example, like upsides example you have to solve. Then this fourth question, number 4, it has been reduced from your syllabus, so no need to solve this. Remaining questions you have to solve in your notebook. Okay, bye.